On eve of Teachers' Day, the guests on the dais, Sri Madhukar Garu, Ghade Madhukar Garu, retired Deputy DO, and Director Talib Sir from Mancharal, and Muzaruddin Sir, and Shailendra Director Sir, and our beloved Principal Basant Kumar Rao Sir Principal, and parents sitting last, and dear students, and our teachers also. On the occasion of hello students, here the 10th and 9th all students should pay attention to here only. We are celebrating the birthday of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan as a Teachers' Day, and you should remember why we are celebrating, what is the importance. You should know the students, particularly 8th, 9th, 10th, LKG, etc. Okay, and teachers also. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is from our Telugu man. He is from Tirupati, and poor man, unable to, is it not? Very poor, but he studied very well. Computer first FA, later on degree, later on degree, and PG, and doctorate in many things. He got doctorate, so on and so on. And he is a scholarly person. He wrote many books, particularly Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the 10th class students. He wrote Indian philosophy. He wrote books on Indian philosophy, Indian culture, values, and he is ambassador to Russia. You know, our Radhakrishnan is ambassador to Russia country. Is it not? And not only that, he is a member of many universities and vice chancellor of Varanasi University, Madras University, Oxford University in America, foreign country. So he is vice chancellor also. He is a professor. So many things are there. Not only that, he is first vice president of India. Hello dear students, you should know that he is a first vice president of India 2 times. And later on he is a president, second president of our independent India. So such a great person is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. That means he is a professor, means he is a teacher. My dear students, he is a teacher, professor. So he is a role, exemplary teacher. He taught the students not only subject, but behavioral attitude, mental attitude, cultural, everything. He loved the students like anything, with affection, love and affection. So one day when he is transferred from Mysore to Madras, students drove him in a chariot, removing the horse. So such a affection of the students of the Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So he says that the teachers should know that we should not only teach the students, but teach them with love and affection. And we people pay concentration to the male students. Generally in a class, who is number 1, number 2, then we only pay our attention to the students. But actually he says that we should not pay the attention to not only male students, but the backward students who is down in the class, and personally treat them, uplift them, give them moral confidence, give them self-confidence. That is the importance. That's why my dear students, just now Garimalka sir told that teacher is nothing but God, Acharya Devo Bhava. After mother and father, teacher is the third person like a God. So we should respect our teachers. We should respect your parents. We should respect here teachers. We should respect elders. You know, in the morning we conducted a Grand Parents Day. You have celebrated. Is it not? You have paid pronounced to your parents. Like that, you respect your parents, respect teachers, respect elders of the society. Then only you will be successful. Finally, my closing remarks. Dear students, remember, some collector is there, some SP is there, or myself is there. Is it not? How I am made like this? Because the teachers like here sitting, they taught me in the first class, second class, third class, tenth class, etc. Degree, PG, etc. Because of those teachers, I am standing here. So tomorrow you want to become any great person, you have to pay due respect to the teachers. That is the importance. Is it not? So that's why we are grateful to our teachers, and we cannot remember, we cannot forget their services. That's why we celebrate this one and the Teachers' Day on occasion of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is a Telugu man. He was nominated to Nobel Prize also. 16 times he was nominated to Nobel Prize also. So on this occasion, you should know the story of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I particularly advise the teachers. In the classroom, you tell the story of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. What is he? How he became a poor man, became great scholar. So such things should be told in the classroom. Here is a common program, DIAS program. You are interested in only cultural programs. So you may not be able to pay the attention. But I request the teachers particularly and parents and principal also, such things should be taught in the classroom about the great persons of India. Is it not? Not only great persons of India, but world also. For example, Abraham Lincoln. So many things are there. So with this, I extend my warm welcome and warm greetings, heartfelt greeting to particularly teachers of Krishnaveni Talent School. Not only teachers, but total teaching committee. I pay my respect to them with pranams. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Such an inspirational words to us. Now I would like to call Mr. Dr. Basant Kumar